Home. It's that special place where our fondest memories are made, where the people we hold close come together to enjoy life and share stories from the day. Meet Level Lock, the only lock designed for the daily routines of everyone in your home. The first smart lock that elegantly matches your style on the outside and thoughtfully hides technology on the inside. A lock that you can open while on the move or close after you've already left. One that embraces simplicity and touches on something new. A lock that lets you welcome friends and family in with ease, so your home can always be full of the ones you love. Home is where your days begin and end. Welcome home.